Hey, we hanging out? Hmm? We having a good time?
Okay, I'll go over here, no worries. Don't cry. I know Mondays are hard. Do you miss Dad? I'm sorry. Why don't you sing a little song and I'll play it for him when he gets home? Do you have any little song on your heart? This is his reaction. No, well, now he's gonna stop. He was banging it around, walking, like stomping, kind of like how I am. It was funny. That baby has a passy just like you, baby bus. I bet you wish those were my toes. Right? Good cleaning. Good job. Good work. Right, Earl? Is he doing a good job, Earl? Hey, Percy, what are you doing? Percy's so special. Percy the bird. Here. What? Are you getting your stuff in, boss? Huh? No, you can't get near that. Sorry. No, sir. Go over there and eat. Dad wants you to go eat. Go on. Go tell him a big story. Are you perched up on Dad?
Is this your prayer perch? Are you praying?
Yeah. What are you praying for? But Mama doesn't cut her hair ever again? Wear glasses on her head? Or earrings? You gonna sing, Percy? You gonna have your cheese? Have your cheese. You gonna sing? He doesn't strike the light. Trying to catch him. Hyper time before bed. Hype you up. Maybe we can take him out and see the girls.
Here.
It's been a minute.
You don't like the legs.
Look, Buster, look. You get a collab with Dad this weekend on these lights. What do you think about that? What do you think? Are they nice? Dot. I didn't mean to scare you. Don't cockatoo them. I'm sorry for scaring you. What do you think? I'm going to put them under the house so Dad can see when he has to go under the house. Yeah, that's so. What do you think? They're pretty nice.
You gonna help?
Are you going to help? You always help, don't you? Yeah. Be nice. Do you want me to go get karaoke? Or guitar? I know, I gotta clean up, don't I?
On me. I know that I must leave the only home I've ever known.
Let's sing, okay?
I mean, how hard can that be?
You gonna get after it?
Sunny sky, so shiny and blue, and there's a butterfly. Well, if that's a fantastic sign, it's gonna be a fantastic day.
Head banging.
You like it, Percy? Sing! Hooray, Buster!
Some super fun surprise around each corner. Just riding on a rainbow, I'm gonna be okay.
Come on.
Hey, I'm not giving up today. There's nothing getting in my way. And if you're not got me
I keep messing up your groove, don't I?
get back up again. Oh, something's a little wrong. Well, you can go ahead and bring it on. If you're not got me over, I will get back up again. Oh, 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 get back up again. Oh, 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 I'm marching along, I got confidence. I'm cooler than a pack of peppermints, and I haven't been this excited since I can't remember when. I'm off on this remarkable adventure. That way, 'cause I know that I'm really, really, really gonna be okay. Hey, I'm not giving up today. There's nothing getting in my way. And if you're not got me over, I will get back up again. Oh, something goes a little wrong. Well, you can go ahead and bring it on. 'Cause if you're not got me over, I will get back up again. Oh, 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 get back up again. Oh, 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 And if you knock me over, you
Sing Dad a song. Percy, you gonna sing? Let's sing.
You do it.
Sing some music. Lyrics. He's trying to mimic it. Here, Bubba, don't knock my water over, please. I had to move it away from Buster. Here, how about the guitar? Sing. Sing, silly bird. He was talking like Percy this morning. But when I set up, hey, we want some lyrics.
Here, Percy.
We'll have you really ready for bedtime, huh? Won't we, Bus? We'll have you ready for bed, that's for sure. Okay. Are you working, Buster? Now you gotta clean yourself after that big song and dance. What about you, Percy? What are you doing, Percy? You gonna sing? You sing, Percy. Buster. I mean, ice cream that you and Dad can have.
Ooh. Look. It's pretty frozen.
You gonna try it? Is it good? He likes cold stuff too.
Yeah,
so
well, he's
I-
trying to find like the edges where
Is that
can't
good?
work with an audience. Here.
Mm. I made that just for you and Dad.
There goes the tongue.
Good stuff, huh?
Look. You're gonna get brain freeze.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You like it? I'm glad you like it, Buster. I even made special vanilla just for you. Is it time to go night-night? He got that banana on your shirt.
I know.
Well, but it looks like poop, so I don't want anybody to think it's poop. You know what I'm talking about.
Climbed up on
Yeah. Yeah. Super guy. Did you hear her? I love when you're doing this. I like when you have to turn jokes. Oh, step time. Woo, woo, woo. Get your steps in.
Did you have ice cream?
Here, Bobo.
You did?
Huh, Earl? What you doing? Give Tiss. Ready to
Tell
go
a
night?
story. You got a story?
How was your day? Did you cry? Yeah, he did cry today.
Did you go to work? Did you go to work today?
Maybe a couple of girl.
Come here, give me a kiss. Aw. You going night-nights? Did you get a new toy in there that you like? The little cups? You play with them in the morning, don't you? Huh? All right, Buster, first cover.
Better come tell a story.
It's already funny. Is it a funny story?
Nighter will love you.
Bubba. Okay. Early bird. Come here. Tell me good night. I see you early in the morning. Good night. Love you.